A few years ago, one of my patients, let's call him Dave, came to me feeling drained. He said, Michael, I'm doing everything right. I'm working out, eating clean, taking my supplements, but I still feel tired. My drive is down, and I've gained a few pounds. So I asked him one question. How are you sleeping? He laughed. Oh, maybe 5 to 6 hours a night tops. And that's when it clicked. Because what most men don't realize is this. You can lift all the weights and take all the supplements you want, but if you're not sleeping, your testosterone levels are tanking. Today, we're going to break down exactly why sleep is the #1 natural testosterone booster and how you can start fixing it tonight. Let's start with the truth. Most men today are running on empty. Testosterone levels have dropped about 1% per year since the 1980s. That means the average 40-year-old man today has lower testosterone than his grandfather did at the same age. Why? Sure, it's diet, stress, chemicals, and lack of movement. But one of the biggest culprits is right under our noses: sleep deprivation. The CDC says 1 in 3 adults don't get enough sleep. And when you consistently sleep less than 7 hours, your testosterone can drop by up to 15% in just 1 week. Think about that. 7 days of bad sleep, and your hormone levels start crashing like you've aged a decade. I told Dave, you don't need another supplement yet. You need rest, the natural hormone therapy your body already has built in. So, what's so magical about sleep? Why does it raise testosterone? When you fall into deep sleep, especially REM and slow-wave sleep, your brain and endocrine system get to work. That's when your pituitary gland sends the signal to release luteinizing hormone, which tells your testes to produce testosterone. Most of your testosterone is released in the early hours of sleep, right before you wake up. That's why morning levels are highest. But if you cut your sleep short, you're literally chopping off the part of the night when testosterone is made. A study from the University of Chicago found that young men who slept only 5 hours a night for a week had testosterone levels similar to men 10 to 15 years older. That's what I told Dave. Your body can't make testosterone if you're not giving it the time. And once he started prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep, his energy, focus, and workouts all improved naturally. Now let's talk about what happens when you don't sleep enough, because it's not just fatigue. When you skimp on sleep, your cortisol, the stress hormone, stays elevated. Cortisol and testosterone are enemies. When cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. You also lose REM cycles, which hurts hormone signaling, recovery, and even sperm production. And here's the kicker. Poor sleep also wrecks your insulin sensitivity, making it harder to burn fat. More belly fat leads to more aromatase enzyme, leads to more testosterone converted into estrogen. That's a triple hit. Less testosterone made, more testosterone destroyed, and more fat gained, which lowers it further. It's a vicious cycle. When I explained that to Dave, his eyes got wide. So my sleep is literally stealing my testosterone. I said exactly. Every hour you lose, your hormones pay the price. All right, here's what you can start doing tonight to turn it around. Here are my pharmacist-approved sleep fixes that support healthy testosterone. First, keep a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time, even weekends. Consistency resets your circadian rhythm. 2, make your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Your brain releases melatonin in darkness. Even a phone screen can block it. 3, cut blue light 1 to 2 hours before bed. Phones, TVs, and tablets all suppress melatonin. Try glasses or night mode. 4, avoid caffeine after noon. Caffeine can linger in your body for up to 10 hours. Number 5, don't eat big meals late at night. Digestion keeps your body alert. Finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed. Number 6, try natural sleep aids if needed. Magnesium glycinate, L-theanine, or glycine can calm your nervous system safely. And if you're low on melatonin naturally, talk with your healthcare provider before supplementing. When Dave made these changes, he didn't just sleep better. His morning energy came back, his strength improved, and his lab tests confirmed it. His testosterone rose by 120 points without a single new supplement. So what's the real secret? It's simple. Testosterone doesn't start in the gym. It starts in your bedroom. Sleep is when your body rebuilds, restores, and regenerates. Without it, your hormones don't stand a chance. Forget magic pills or expensive injections. Your body wants to make testosterone naturally. You just have to give it what it needs: rest, recovery, and rhythm. So before you chase another supplement, ask yourself, am I giving my body enough sleep to perform like it's supposed to? Because if you want more strength, more drive, and better health, it all starts with sleep. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use better sleep and better energy. And if you want to learn more about natural supplements, medications, and just how to be healthier, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I release 3 new videos each week. Until next time, my name is Pharmacist Michael, reminding you to be happy and be healthy. I'll see you in the next video.